11 ingredients for dark acne marks. I-review natin yan. Number 1 ay topical vitamin C. So pinapakita ng studies guys na ang paggamit ng topical vitamin C ay maaaring mag-inhibit ng tyrosinase, which is an important enzyme sa melanin synthesis or yung paggawa ng kulay sa ating balat. And may mga studies din na nagpapakita na ang paggamit ng topical vitamin C ay maaaring mag-reduce ng dopaquinone. So basically guys, yung dopaquinone, if it proceeds further into the melanin synthesis pathway, siya po ay nagiging melanin. So may mga studies na nagpapakita na instead of proceeding further into the pathway, topical vitamin C actually turns dopaquinone back into dopa at napipigilan yung process of breaking down or processing ng dopaquinone into melanin, thereby improving hyperpigmentation. And guys, may mga studies na nagpapakita na ang topical vitamin C ay maaaring may direct effect sa existing melanin. So maaari nitong i-reduce ang oxidation state ng melanin, leading to its breakdown and dispersion. And ang lahat ng effects na ito guys ay maaaring mag-contribute sa improvement ng appearance ng ating mga post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation or dark acne marks. Pangalawa guys ay niacinamide. So basically, pinipigilan ng niacinamide ang melanosome transfer. So by inhibiting the melanosome transfer, niacinamide decreases the amount of melanin that reaches the different layers of our skin, thereby reducing the appearance of your dark acne marks. So during inflammation guys, nagiging hyperreactive ang ating mga melanocytes. Kaya anything that helps or reduces inflammation can also potentially improve your post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation or your dark acne marks. Kaya nakakatulong po ang niacinamide dahil meron itong anti-inflammatory effects. Pangatlo guys ay azelaic acid. So azelaic acid can improve your dark acne marks because it can also inhibit tyrosinase. And azelaic acid, meron siyang selective cytotoxicity or medyo toxic siya sa mga abnormal melanocytes. So tinatarget niya yung napaka-hyperreactive na mga melanocytes sa ating balat na responsible for the excess production of melanin, thereby leading to improvement of your dark acne marks. And additionally, azelaic acid has anti-inflammatory effects and also antioxidant effects guys, no? Kaya all of this contributes to very powerful inhibition or reduction of the appearance of your post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. And of course, yung pinaka-favorite natin na family ng azelaic acid is the potassium azellyl diglycinate. So this may actually work like our azelaic acid para sa mga dark acne marks natin, and at the same time, mas hydrating and mas milder siya compared sa azelaic acid with enhanced penetration and stability. So kojic acid may help with your dark acne marks kasi nakaka-inhibit din ito ng tyrosinase. May ability din siya para i-chelate ang mga copper ions. So yung mga copper ions kasi kailangan niya ng tyrosinase para makapag-function ito ng properly. So kojic acid chelates the copper ions and activating your tyrosinase and further decreasing melanin production. And kojic acid guys also has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects, further contributing to its anti-hyperpigmentation effects. So ang next guys ay ang mga retinoids. So pag gumagamit tayo ng mga retinoids guys, tumataas ang cellular turnover ng ating balat, and this actually causes the melanin to progress to the different layers of the skin and eventually pushed out from the skin. So this one also promotes the dispersion of your melanin. So walang chance masyado yung mga melanin natin na magkumpol-kumpol or mag-clump together dahil nga yung retinoids promotes dispersion of the melanin. So pag naka-clump kasi together yung mga melanin natin, mas hyperpigmented or darker yung ating mga post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation, and the more dispersed they are, the lighter it will appear. And of course, wag natin kalilimutan ang anti-inflammatory effects ng ating mga retinoids. So next one guys is salicylic acid, one of my favorite acids for Filipino skin na acne prone and oily. So basically guys, salicylic acid can serve as your gentle exfoliator, and that actually promotes newer skin to resurface, no? And also it prevents the melanin to clump together. Using a chemical exfoliator encourages the melanin to disperse. And again, pag hindi naka-clump together ang ating melanin, naka-disperse po sila, mas lighter po ang hyperpigmentation or yung ating mga dark acne marks. And also, don't forget, salicylic acid has anti-inflammatory effects as well. And also guys, mandelic acid, in the same way as salicylic acid exfoliates your skin, it promotes melanin dispersion. And also guys, itong mandelic acid, very gentle chemical exfoliator. If gusto nyo yung mga nagbabalat-balat na micropeel, so mandelic acid is for you. Ako guys, kasi ayoko masyadong nagbabalat yung mga patients ko. Ayoko masyadong nagbabalat. So, more of salicylic acid ako guys. But remember, mandelic, salicylic acid, or whatever acids you are using, if you increase the concentration, of course, you increase also the risk na magbabalat-balat din yung face ninyo. So, kailangan pag nagsistart kayo with acids, kailangan mag-start with low concentration muna and gradual introduction sa ating balat. So, you can start 3 times a week of application, and then after 2 weeks, increase the frequency of application, and so on as tolerated. Next one guys ay licorice root extract. So licorice root extract can help with dark acne marks kasi nag-i-inhibit din ito ng tyrosinase enzyme. Also with very good anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. And guys, may mga studies na nagpapakita na ang licorice root extract ay maaari mag-prevent ng melanin transfer, and also pinapakita rin na nakakatulong itong mag-reduce ng UV-induced hyperpigmentation or yung pangingitim after exposure natin sa araw. So guys, iwasan natin talaga guys, pag may mga dark acne marks tayo, iwasan natin mag-expose tayo sa araw. Kasi ang araw or UVB is actually the most potent activator of hyperpigmentation. So pag may dark acne marks tayo, nagpa-araw tayo, lalo po itong lalala. Pero if hindi talaga naiwasan guys, naka-expose tayo sa araw, then we can use something with licorice root extract. Next one guys is alpha-arbutin. Of course guys, this alpha-arbutin is known to inhibit tyrosinase inhibitor, kaya maganda rin siya for your dark acne mark. And some studies also show that the use of alpha-arbutin leads to a reduction of melanosome maturation. So if hindi nagmamature masyado ang ating mga melanosome, kung saan po nagagawa or nakakreate yung ating mga melanin or pigment sa ating balat, then this can actually have an impact in the melanogenesis or pag-generate ng pigment sa ating balat. So, yung alpha-arbutin, ini-inhibit niya or pine-prevent or nire-reduce niya ang pag-mature ng mga melanosomes. At the same time, ini-inhibit or pinipigilan din ito ang pag-transfer ng melanin sa mga skin cells natin, further reducing the appearance of your dark acne marks. And last but not the least guys is your tranexamic acid. Of course, it can help with dark acne marks because it also inhibits tyrosinase, and it can also suppress melanocyte activity by interfering with the interaction between keratinocytes, yung ating mga skin cells, and pigment cells or yung melanocytes. So, ini-inhibit or pinipigilan ng tranexamic acid ang pag-release ng mga factors from your skin cells that can stimulate your pigment cells or your melanocytes to produce melanin. So this leads to the suppression of the activity ng ating mga pigment cells, thereby reducing the appearance of your hyperpigmentation. Some studies also show that using tranexamic acid may help in enhancing the stability of your melanocyte membrane, thereby decreasing the sensitivity of your melanocytes sa mga external stimuli. And ang lahat na ito ay nakaka-contribute sa pag-reduce ng appearance ng ating mga dark acne marks or post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. So I hope this helps. For more acne tips, follow me and Basta Acne DMD. Bye DMD Stunners!